So the first one says, what is open access e-resources and proprietary e-resources?
As I said, that open access e-resources is the freely available, right? That is freely available to anyone. And the proprietary is that whatever that we pay it for whenever we are subscribing anything that we will pay to the publisher. That is the proprietary. That is their propriety. So this is the basic difference.
Okay, sir. So we have a student asking, can we manage both type e-resource in ERMS, and what is the difference?
Yeah, so this both type of research, that is the open access and the proprietary. You can manage both in the ERMS softwares, but the things is that for the this proprietary, you can manage their license agreement properly, whereas the other things are same
Okay.
for the both the open access and proprietary.
Okay, sir. So the next question says, can we consider blog, wiki as e-resources?
Sorry, what you asked?
Sir, the student is asking, can we consider blog, wiki as e-resources?
Yeah, whatever the in electronic forms that we consider the resources, whether the blog, wiki, or the any content that is floated. I mean the share with the Facebook or the LinkedIn, that we consider the e-resources.
Okay, sir. And the next one says that what is the career in library science? Is this position as good as a professor position?
Uh, that there are a lot of the good opportunities are the day you'll find in the library science. There are many posts are there, and for the librarians, those who are the librarian in the big library like the universities and the IITs, IISERs like this institute, all the librarians they are joining on a professor scales. There are different type of the positions in the libraries, like the deputy librarian, assistant librarian, professional assistant, that are on the different scales. For the deputy librarian, that is like the associate professors, and the assistant librarian like the assistant professors, assistant librarians. So the positions are very the opportunity are very good in the library science. If will choose, it will be really benefited. And not only the library will the only area that will work if you study in the library science. You can work in the different sector also, corporate sector, different industry also, different publishers also, where you will well happy, where will be uh, get chance to visit the abroad. Many of the my friends, they those who are working in the corporate sector like the publishers company, they are every 6 months, half yearly, they are visiting abroad to doing their works.
Okay, thank you, sir, for sharing a thoughtful vision. And we are glad that we are getting to learn so much from you. And one more, we have this question from a student that does open access e-resources is useful for the UG students?
Yes, I shown you that in this, the NPTEL site, I mean the NDLI site. All these e-resources that is categorized under the undergraduate students that you can use in your undergraduate course. You just create a ID, as I told all my students. You just create a ID with the NDLI and access. Go to the undergraduate the link and access all the related resources that are useful to you.
Okay, sir. So now we are done with all the questions. Thank you so much for your guidance, and I'm sure that this will help and will be very beneficial for all the students present here.
Thank you,
Now,
Namnita.
thank you, sir. Now I invite our internship director of Johar Lord Buddha Foundation, Mr. Gopal Krishna Sharma, sir, to propose the vote of thanks for today's session.
Okay, thank you, Navneet. Uh, Now I have the privilege to thank our today's uh, lecturer, Dr. Nihar K. Patra, as I learned from you that he is a very much expert and knowledgeable person in the field of library science. His educational qualification as well as the papers published, and just knew that he has published two books on ERM also. He got PhD on electronic resource management. So, having all these things in mind, I'm sure that he is a very eligible person, very right person uh, today to deliver this very informative and structured lecture on ERM. And I hope all the students who has been in this joined this session got benefited by his knowledge and information. He discussed each and every part of the ERM, right from what is e-resources, what is proprietary and open access systems, how they are procured, how they are shared, evaluated, and what are the different search engine also, like Google or deep web or dark web, what are the agreement made by the publishers, and many other things about the ERM system. I think the students on this topic will be benefited in a very right way and very useful way. And not only that, Mr. Patra has answered all the questions put by the students in a very simple way and very uh, easy way. And so I hope all students got benefited. I, on behalf of the Lord Buddha Foundation organization, thank Mr. Patra for this very good lectures given to us. Thanks, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Namaste.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, girls, for your cooperation and time. And I wish for your support throughout this session. With that, I conclude our today's meeting. Thank you all and have a great day.
Okay. Thank you, Navnita. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.